Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. I've got another unboxing for you. Yep, it's a tripod. And it's this beauty here. It's a video tripod. I've got a camera tripod and I wanted to upgrade to a video tripod. And the big difference between a video tripod and a camera tripod is it's very smooth on moving the camera back when you move it left, right, up and down. On a video tripod, it should have something called a floating head. So it's when you're moving it left and right, you can adjust how smooth it is. And I've had the old tripod for about 2 years now, and I thought it's about time I done an upgrade. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'll quickly show you on my computer my old one and my new one. So I'll do my unboxing now and show you what you're going to get for your £139 or whatever the equivalent is in dollars. So I've got my knife out. Don't know which way to open it. So there it is anyway. It's quite heavy. It's a lot heavier than that one I've got over there. But there you go. I think I'll do this end. Stick it on the floor. Don't think it matters which end I do it. Both are quite sealed. Go, check out the floor. I'll put this on here. I'll tell you what, I'll move the camera around so you can just see that. Yeah, nice case, nice and heavy. Strong I should say, not heavy. It is heavy, but yeah, it's alright. It's a good weight to it. So we'll unzip it, shall we? There you go. Don't want that in there, do we? It's smelly. So obviously we've got the tripod, well protected. I'll put that one side so else is in the bag. So what we've got. Oh, there's a little zip here. So, so we have the handle. Nice grip. I'll just show you a close up on that. See that? So you can have it left-handed or right-handed. I will use it with my right hand, like so. Quite nice, good quality. What else you got in here? You got your what your camera actually goes on. Let me just show you. See that? So that screws into the bottom of the camera, obviously. What I'll show you my old one. Can't show you at the moment because obviously my camera's on it. But my other one's just got a little clip, so it's easy to unscrew than this. So I don't know why they don't do a quick release, but this one obviously needs a screwdriver or a penny or 2p. Anyway, we'll get on with it. Obviously the instructions, and you've got some Allen keys and some clips. Not sure what the clips do. Obviously the Allen keys undo bits and bobs. Yorkies Bits and Bobs. So it's a nice little package. Yeah, let's have a look at these little clips. I didn't read up on anything about them, but there you go. I'm sure they just hold something together. We'll sort it out. So that's that. The next thing to do, I don't think there's anything else in there, no, that's it. So what I'll do, rather than waste time, I'll fix the bits on. I won't put that on just yet because obviously it's for my camera and I won't be able to show you. So I'll get the tripod up and put the handle on. Let's have a look around at the actual tripod before I do anything else. So it has nice rubber feet, quite a solid rubber, so and quite grippy. Has some metal spikes. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? There's 2 on each, I believe. Yeah, there's one now. There you go, one there, and there's one that side. And obviously the Allen keys can adjust these to tighten these up or loosen them up. And also you've got these other rubber mounts, which I believe you pull them down like and flip them over, and then they go over there to give you more grip. And then obviously you've got your feet adjustments there. See that? And obviously your first set of adjustments on there for lowering the feet and for your adjusting your height. What else you've got? Spirit level, you know, water bubble, whatever you want to call it. And quite heavy. It's a heavy unit. So anyway, with that, I'll open up the legs. It's quite sturdy. Let's move that camera about. Put the feet in the right place. Like so. I'll quickly put my handle on. Right, I think that's round the wrong way. You've got to go that. So you've got your movement. Nice and smooth. That's your quick relief for that device that I'm going to put on the camera later. And you can put it on that side. You can put this handle on that side as well. So you just unscrew it. I'm not sure what that does. I think it's for something else, obviously. I can't remember now. And this bolt here, you can swap over to that side just by unscrewing it and moving it over. I'm not sure what that does, but we'll find out. So we'll see how high she goes. So that's a nice height, as you can see. I'm going to have to move that camera up. Right, shall we go a bit higher then? Undo that. I'd need to stand on a ladder. I don't think my camera would just fit on that. So, wow, what's that? About 6 foot something. So it's quite high. Can you see that all right? So that's from the ground up. So as you can see, it's quite big. Not that you're going to want it that high. But if you notice, my camera's quite jerky. It doesn't matter what I do, what adjustments I make. Yeah, I can get it fairly smooth, but not really dead smooth. One of the other things is it has like a counterbalance. You can adjust the tension, but it will try and come back to the top, like so. Especially when the camera's on it, so that's quite good. So my first impressions, yeah, very professional, looks very nice. Quite tall. I'm going to put it back down because it's quite funny. Do that one, do that one, do that one. Just drop it back down without bashing myself. There it goes. Do them back up. Can't see me using them for a while. There you go. Where's that other device? Oh, there you go. So you obviously fix your camera to this device here, and it slides in and out. So I'm assuming it goes in there like that. Yeah, so that's in. It can't come out that way, and it can't come out that way because you have to press this little red button on the side. So the way you do that, press that button in there, hold it in, and she just slides out. That works really well. Easy enough. So what stops that coming out? Must be that little screw there. There's a little screw there, which is also adjustable. So I suppose you could have it sliding out that way if you wanted to, just by removing that screw. But then you have the danger of it coming right out, don't you? Yeah, it's all right. So anyway, that's my first unboxing of this new tripod of mine. Like I said earlier, I'll stick a link in for my old tripod in case you feel you want to buy one. It's an Amazon one, and it did get good reviews. So you know, if you want a tripod for your camera or you're just starting out, I'd recommend it. It's excellent. Like I say, I've had it for 2 years. it's done the job. It's now time for me to do an upgrade. But if you want to do an upgrade, or you want to jump straight into a good tripod, as far as I know, and from my first experience with this tripod, I think, yeah, it's very nice. I think it's going to do the job. It better do the job for the amount of money I'm paying for it. It's quite solidly built, and nice feel to it, and the bubbles spot on in the middle. I like it. Like I say, there's a lot of adjustments. Obviously, once I get my camera on now, I'll get a better feel to it, and I'll start messing about with it. So anyway, if you have any comments, please post them below. If you like my video, give me the thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And check out the links in the description as well. And thank you very much for watching.